Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Albion online game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not working, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. Now the first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. First step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear the Albion online cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Albion online game and highlight it, then press menu and then select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then skip this step. And the step 4 is to clear the alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address, then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all the 4 steps, now you can go ahead, launch Albion online game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the problem and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch Albion online and see if that helps or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Solution 4 is to run Albion online from store instead of running the game from Xbox Home. To do this, type Albion online in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in the secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall Albion Online. So simply uninstall Albion Online from the Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Albion Online game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not working, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.